after going back up?
I haven't done it yet.
No, I'm going home. I just wondered if you're going to fly it. I'm excited.
Kick a hole?
I flew 6 hours. I have 2 more, but
Okay.
I got to go do stuff.
When I come out, everybody's going home.
My flight's going to be a helicopter.
After a couple of years, people get the hint, don't you?